Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone with hair around mid-length. Okay, she is definitely getting a pixie for this hair transformation. Stylist is going super short. Oh, this is cute. I like the fact that this cut has a lot of texture to it. It's kind of like a bixie baby mullet style. And then moving into the next one, we have a red bob haircut. Wow, absolutely gorgeous color. Wow. If you guys follow this channel, you already know I am obsessed with the color red. I just love it with hairstyles. It's so pretty. And so moving right along, we have a layered hairstyle. Ooh. Wow, he is cutting a lot. Wow, he is cutting a lot of hair off for this one. And then we have another cute, trendy Pixie style haircut. Oh, I like the bangs going there in the front. Another play on the baby mullet trend. Very cute. And then we have a nice classic bob. So she has some very long hair. Look how thick her hair is. So much body and movement. The shine is beautiful. And then we have another cute bob transformation. Definitely a classic. She's got the center part going down the middle. Oh. Okay, so she has some salt and pepper hair here while the stylist is cutting all that long hair off. Very cute pixie makeover. Looks like she got the hair colored as well. Very nice. This is like a really cute 90s style pixie. Next up, we have someone with long, super long waist length hair. Stylish chops that hair right off. And she gets a beautiful classic shoulder length bob style. Gorgeous. And here we have someone with shoulder length hair. Stylish chops away. Oh, look at this pixie. So cute. I love the fact that it featured bangs in the front and had a whole lot of texture to it. So we have another mini bob style here. Looks like she is getting some color too. Oh. Actually, I think this is more of like a pixie bob style. Wow, this is phenomenal. Oh, I love it. Very cute. Here we have a bob makeover. Nice classic bob. It ends just above the shoulders. Got the curtain style bangs with the layers for the next look. Ooh, look at this bob. Very pretty. Chop chop. Looks like we got another fresh bob here. Ooh, I like how volumized this came out. And that one does feature the curtain bangs going there in the front for some texture. Super cute. So it looks like we have a layered bob here. Actually looks like he's doing, oh, a mini bob. Very cute. So chic and fun. So here we have a pixie haircut. I like how volumized this pixie is as well. It does feature a nice amount of texture. Oh, this is so cute. Very nice. Oh, she dyed her hair. She got the bangs with the layers. I love this color. So pretty. And then, of course, we got another layered style with the bangs. Kind of giving that like layered bob action. And then we got a pixie style. Ooh, look how much texture. Very cute. It's like all the hair is pulled to the front. Alright, you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed taking a look at these cute hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.